Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, and China to the north. It is the world's fifth most populous country and has the second largest Muslim population in the world. The official language is Urdu, but many other languages are also spoken, including English, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi. Pakistan has a diverse culture, with influences from its history as part of the Indian subcontinent as well as from Islamic, Central Asian, and Persian cultures. The country is known for its rich history, including the ancient Indus Valley civilization, as well as its colorful arts, crafts, and textiles. Pakistan has a mixed economy, with agriculture, textiles, and the services sector being major contributors to the country's GDP. However, the country also faces many economic challenges, including high poverty and unemployment rates, as well as a large trade deficit. Pakistan has a complex political landscape, with a democratic government and a powerful military. The country has a history of military coups, but in recent years, democratic institutions have strengthened. Nevertheless, the country still faces many political challenges, including ongoing conflicts with neighboring India, and internal issues such as extremism and political instability. Pakistan is a beautiful and diverse country with a rich history and culture, though it also faces many challenges. It's important to note that the situation in Pakistan can be volatile, and it's important to stay informed and be aware of any travel warnings before visiting the country. Pakistan is a country of great natural beauty, with a diverse landscape that includes mountains, deserts, beaches, and lush green valleys. The beauty of Pakistan is truly a sight to behold, and it is a country that offers something for every kind of traveler. One of the most striking features of Pakistan's landscape is the mighty Himalayan mountain range, which runs through the northern part of the country. The Himalayas are home to some of the world's highest peaks, including K2, the second highest peak in the world. The Himalayan range offers a variety of trekking and climbing opportunities, as well as beautiful scenery and local culture. The Karakoram mountain range, also located in the northern part of Pakistan, is another must-see destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The Karakoram is home to the world's second highest concentration of peaks over 7,000 meters, including the famous Nanga Parbat. Pakistan's northern areas also offer stunning valleys, such as the Swat Valley, known for its beautiful rivers, green pastures, and historic Buddhist monasteries. The valley is also known for its adventure sports like paragliding, rock climbing, and whitewater rafting. The southern part of the country is home to the Arabian Sea and the Indus River Delta, which is one of the largest delta systems in the world. The coastal areas of Pakistan are known for their beautiful beaches, such as Clifton Beach, Hawke's Bay, and French Beach. These beaches are also known for their diverse marine life and are ideal for activities like swimming, scuba diving, and snorkeling. The western part of Pakistan is home to the Balochistan Plateau, which is known for its rugged terrain and deserts, such as the Shagai and the Nushki deserts. These deserts offer a unique and beautiful landscape and are also known for their rich mineral resources. The eastern part of Pakistan is home to the Punjab and Sindh provinces, which are known for their rich history and culture. The region is home to many historic cities, such as Lahore, which is known for its Mughal-era architecture, including the famous Lahore Fort and the Badshahi Mosque. Overall, Pakistan is a country of great natural beauty, and it offers a diverse range of landscapes and experiences for travelers. From the majestic Himalayas to the lush valleys, from the rugged deserts to the beautiful beaches, Pakistan has something for everyone.